The National Weather Service has issued a required weekly test for all of Indiana counties.
National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Boone County, Fisher County, and Kokomo, has a tornado source radar effect until 11:45 a.m.
The National Weather Service has issued a statement for Tornado Watch 102 effect until 1 a.m. Falling County, City, all of central Indiana.
Security covers high school football stadiums all across the metro.
Extra officers patrolled games in several counties, all in DeKalb. New metal detectors put fans at ease. Atlanta News 4's Bridget Spencer continues our team coverage at Halford Stadium in Clarkston. Bridget, you spoke to people comforted by seeing that increased security.
This is emergency action notification. This is emergency. A nuclear attack from North Korean. Get food, water, medicine, and other supplies for last 14 days in your shelter.